Cooking is completed just by filling the ingredients in the pot and starting. I bought an automatic cooking pot. Hello, everyone, I'm Misuzu. Thank you for watching Hakori Ouchi Gohan today. Do you know automatic cooking pots? I bought a hot cook at the New Year sale. When I used it, it was very convenient and I was really surprised. When you put the ingredients in, the pot will cook the food, so you can do various other tasks such as editing videos, drying and taking in the laundry in the meantime. Today, I would like to share with you my experience report on using Hot Cook for a month and the appeal of Hot Cook. I hope it will be helpful for those who are considering purchasing. Please enjoy till the end. If you are currently enjoying automatic cooking pots from other manufacturers, I would be happy if you could tell me your favorite usage and favorite recipes in the comments section. Some of you may have wondered what kind of pot is an automatic cooking pot. An automatic cooking pot is a kitchen appliance that automatically heats and cooks when you put ingredients and seasonings in it and start it. There are various menus that can be created by manufacturers. It's a pot, so basically I'm good at stew and steamed food. There are two main types of automatic cooking pots. What you can pressure cook and what you can't. Hot cooks cannot be pressure cooked. Therefore, braised pork, stewed spare ribs, etc. need to be heated for a long time. But I feel more delicious than the pressure cooker. The secret is the mixing unit that other automatic cooking pots do not have. It cooks while stirring, so it will be finished with a polite taste as if it was cooked. You can also make an open omelette this way. It is completed just by stuffing it with other ingredients without beating the egg. In addition, the temperature sensor at the bottom of the main unit and the steam sensor that reacts to the steam emitted from the ingredients adjust the heat and mixing. As a result, the taste is soaked into the inside, but it does not fall apart when boiled. For this reason, it is finished with a polite taste even though it is neglected. Furthermore, the structure that prevents steam from escaping and the inner lid with drip processing. This allows the moisture in the ingredients to return to the pot while heating. Anhydrous cooking that is simmered only with the water of vegetables can also be made deliciously. This official website and app are also easy to use. You can also download the menu from here. If you use Hot Cook once, you can draw lots once on the official website. You can participate in the raffle with the points you won in the draw lots. The raffle draw is fun even if you don't win, right? I'll let you know where the raffle draw is. At the top of the official website Kokoro Kitchen, if you are using a smartphone, tap the star mark My List below. Tap Get Points using cooking equipment to open the raffle draw page. You can check the accumulated points on my page. These points will be used to apply for campaigns on the official website Kokoro members. It's surprisingly easy to finish making dinner. In our home, Hot Cooks help us almost every day since we bought it. Here's what I've made over the past month. The first thing I made when the Hot Cook arrived was yellowtail boiled in vinegar. The official recipe contains sugar and mirin. I didn't add them and used balsamic vinegar instead. There are three types of seasoning: sake, balsamic vinegar, and soy sauce. I seem to have underestimated the automatic cooking pot a little, but I was very surprised by this first cooking. Yellowtail is soft and plump. It tasted evenly and was very delicious. The next thing I tried was the menu I wanted to make the most: Japanese ketchup pasta that children love. Add the spaghetti without boiling it. Add bell peppers, mushrooms and tomato ketchup. It tastes like stewed ketchup instead of fried ketchup. But it was so easy and delicious to make. The next thing I wanted to try was potage soup. So, first of all, I made chicken broth with hot cook. It's a large size hot cook, so it's good that you can easily put chicken bones in it. Freeze and store in small portions. Using this chicken broth, I made pumpkin potage, sweet potato potage, and soup pasta. Of course, I also tried anhydrous curry. Compared to anhydrous curry made in a style pot, hot cook retains the shape of the vegetables. So if you're worried about it, cut it into smaller pieces and add it. The previous one was chicken wings curry, and this one is cabbage and minced meat curry. It is also waterless. Plenty of water comes out of the cabbage, and it feels like the curry flavor of unrolled cabbage. It's a stomach-friendly curry. You can also make dry curry with plenty of vegetables. I enjoyed the fresh texture of the vegetables even though it was well cooked. Cream stew does not use roux. Add chicken thighs coated with rice flour. You have to add the milk yourself at the end, but it turned out delicious like this. You can also make stewed udon and fried udon. The udon menu is made using boiled udon. My child likes udon, so I often use this noodle course. You can also make standard side dishes such as simmered dried daikon, fried tofu, and simmered hijiki. Potato salad, which is a little troublesome to make by yourself, can also be made with hot cook. This is a potato salad made with sweet potatoes and raisins. A hot cook will boil and mash it, so you can add mayonnaise afterward, or add non-heated ingredients such as cucumber and ham for potato salad and mix. I was impressed by the deliciousness of the ginseng chicken soup. I'll be sure to introduce you in another video at a later date. Hot cook is a pot, so it's a little difficult to cook fried. It will be boiled. When I tried to make shrimp mayonnaise, it tasted like stewed mayonnaise. However, the fried rice and the fried udon I introduced earlier taste like the real thing. And the cashew chicken was also very delicious, as if it had been stir-fried. Hot cook can cook at a low temperature, so you can also ferment bread dough. You have to do the work of kneading the dough yourself. You can also bake bread with a hot cook. This dough is brioche-like, so it will be a little dry. If you are concerned about it, add raisins to make it easier to eat. Official recipes also include sponge cakes, jams, brownies, and bean paste. And pudding. The egg is heated at 85 degrees, so it hardens smoothly. You can make it smooth. You can also make boiled eggs. Put a cold egg and water in the hot cook and cook with the boiled egg course. Soft boiled egg whites and yolks. I felt that the boiled eggs tasted better than those made by boiling them in a pot. You can enjoy fluffy egg salad. I like egg sandwiches using this egg. And the last is rice. You can also cook rice with a hot cook, just like a rice cooker. This is made by adding purple sticky barley to white rice. Hot cook rice tastes the same as rice cooked in a rice cooker. It's not that it's exceptionally delicious, but you can also use a hot cook instead of a rice cooker. There are 2 points to note. It is not possible to cook quickly and it is not possible to keep warm. Cooking rice in a hot cook takes 50 to 60 minutes. Also, the heat retention function of the hot cook is higher than the heat retention temperature of the rice cooker, so it cannot be used to keep rice warm. However, you can cook rice with reserved cooking. In addition, the official recipes include download menus such as chestnut rice, brown rice, corn rice, and pot au feu rice. Porridge and risotto courses are also available. As for washing, the inner pot, inner lid, soup bowl, steam vent cover, and mixing unit is washed only when used. Remove and wash the cover. You can put it in the dishwasher to wash it, except for the inner pot. Before using it, I thought that there would be a lot of washing. Each part is light, so it's much easier than washing a heavy reed pot or frying pan. Lastly, I would like to introduce the model I purchased. I purchased KNHW24G. This is a 2.4 liter made in 2021. The alphabet at the end of the model number indicates the year, and G is the latest model as of February 2023. New in order from A. F and G have fluorine processing on the inner pot. Before F, it was a stainless pot. You can cook in 2 stages. For 2-stage cooking, use the included steaming tray. This is a course where you can make 2 dishes at once, such as simmered vegetables when cooking rice, and steamed vegetables when making soup. The number in the model number indicates the capacity. 24 is 2.4 liters. 16 is 1.6 liters. 10 is 1 liter. Available in 3 different sizes. This time, I told everyone about my surprise using a hot cook. Since I bought hot cook, I haven't had the opportunity to use the frying pan. I enjoy cooking with hot cook every day. I used it every day like this, but after shooting this video, it suddenly broke down. It's been 44 days since purchase. Currently, I am sending it to the manufacturer for repair via Rakuten's purchase store. There is no action that can be thought of as the cause of the failure, and the cause is unknown at the moment. I'll let you all know the results when I get back from the repair. At that time, I would like to share the repair method. I bought another one because I wanted to use the hot cook while it was being repaired. It is 1.0 liters of the smallest size. When the 2.4 liter hot cook comes back from repair, use the 2.4 liter to make the main side dish. The 1.0 liter hot cook is compact and cute. I would like to use this in soups and stews. This is small, so I think it's just the right size for baking bread and cake. That's it for this video. Thank you for viewing. I hope this video will be helpful for those who are considering purchasing hot cook. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching today as well. This channel has a recipe without sugar. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. The recipe is also written on the blog. Please come and see it from the link in the summary column.